Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Workspace ONE from Omnisa, the cutting-edge digital workspace platform that's transforming how businesses work in the modern world. Whether you're in the office, working from home, or on the go, Workspace ONE keeps you connected, productive, and secure without the headaches. So the first thing is you need to go to the official website of omnisa.com. And of course, from there, you just hover to the Workspace ONE. And if you wanted to try the platform for a free trial, you need to click the Contact Us option because that would forward you to the sales team. Provide all the information needed. And if your request for the free trial access, just like here, has been approved, one of the sales expert here in Omnisa, particularly Workspace ONE, will contact you. Otherwise, we can simply go back to the homepage and we can learn more about it because we can explore the products, solutions, company, and resources. All right, so we're going to go and focus our attention to the Workspace ONE because now our focus is going to be the Workspace ONE, particularly the Workspace ONE UEM. Okay, so this is the Unified Endpoint Management. It is a central platform to manage and secure all types of endpoints like laptops, smartphones, tablets, rugged devices, even IoT across different operating systems. So with this, it gives you the ability for the device enrollment and configuration, remote device management and troubleshooting, of course, policy enforcement for security and compliance, plus the application deployment and updates. Now it matters because instead of using separate tools for Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, Workspace ONE UEM lets it manage them all from one console, improving efficiency and of course security. After Workspace ONE UEM, we're going to go to the next one, which is the Workspace ONE Experience Management. All right. Now with this, it lets you create a feature focused on delivering a personalized, productive, and seamless user experience across devices and apps. How? Well, for one, you can have a customizable user interface and app catalogs. You have unified access to SaaS, web, and virtual apps. All right. Of course, you have like a contextual workflow showing relevant apps or content depending on the user roles, location, or device. It matters because this isn't just about managing devices. It's about ensuring employees enjoy a smooth, branded, and role-specific workspace that makes them more productive and engaging. And then next in line, we have the Workspace ONE Mobile Threat Defense. Okay, this is an integrated security solution that protects mobile devices from threats like malware, phishing, network attacks, and risky apps. Because you will have real-time threat detection and response, integration with Workspace ONE UEM for automated remediation, on-device protection so security works even when offline, phishing protection via SMS and browsers. Now, it matters because as mobile devices are often outside of the corporate network, this ensures they remain secure no matter where employees work without requiring separate security tools. Now, since Workspace ONE is part of the Omnisa ecosystem, let me show you around about the solutions. All right. So you have the digital employee experience. Now with this, it focuses on making smoother and more engaging for employees. It measures and improves how employees interact with apps, devices, and workflows. The goal is to reduce friction like login issues or slow apps, providing proactive support and keep productivity high, no matter the worker's location. Of course, you have the ability for the security and compliance. This is going to be the built-in security features ensuring devices, apps, and data are protected in line with company policies and regulations. It uses zero trust principles, meaning it continuously verifies users, devices, and applications before granting access. You have compliance checks run automatically to make sure everything stays up to date with industry and legal standards. And then you also have the Unified Endpoint Management, or the UEM, which is letting ID manage every type of device, laptops, smartphones, tablets, covering the full life cycle from onboarding, configuration, and of course, app deployment, patching, and retirement. It centralizes approach, reducing complexity and improves visibility for IT teams. And then there is the virtual desktops and apps. Now with this, it gives employees secure access to their work desktop or applications from anywhere via virtual delivery or VDI. This means users can work in a consistent, high-performance environment even when from a personal device. It can easily update, secure, and scale these virtual resources without touching each physical device. Now, if you wanted to learn more about Workspace ONE from Omnisa in general, I highly suggest you go to the resources, all right? Number one is going to be the blog. This is Workspace ONE's official articles and thought leadership space. It covers new features, industry trends, integrators, and resellers. It highlights partnership benefits, certifications, and ways businesses can work with trusted vendors to extend workspace capabilities under the Omnisa umbrella. Right? And of course, you have the user portal, which is an interface where end users can log in to access their applications, desktop, and resources, usually through a single sign-on. This is going to be at the front door of Workspace ONE from everyday employees under the Omnisa portal. And then my last going to be is the trust or the partners, because if you wanted to be part of the Omnisa environment, you might want to go to the partners and programs. All right. So it gives you the ability to offer thousands of worldwide partners positioned because Omna to scale business, drive innovation, transform experiences, and make digital work. Okay. And with that being said, you may easily notice that Workspace ONE from Omnisa doesn't offer a pricing plan. All right. So instead, you need to contact the sales department so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business goals, company size, needs, and budget. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our guide with Omnisa Workspace ONE. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.